So these are the first two major equipment I have here in my bakery. So I have two ovens. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I have here, equipment-wise, and what helped me to be more efficient as a solo baker. So let's get into it. I'm going to take you outside when the light is on, so I can show you my environment, what it looks like when I go out. I don't get to enjoy as much as I would like to because busy, go out, go. Life is fast. So here, first start from here, I have this, which is a dough sheet, a roller for croissants and stuff. I don't really use this. It's massive. I find that it takes much space. I'll show you which one I use, which is down in the end, the other corner. And I have this freezer. This freezer is just for sausage roll, raw meat only. And I got another freezer. This one is pastry freezer. This helps for efficiency. For example, I prep sausage roll, not sausage roll, pastries, let's say 2-3 days ahead, and I put them in here, and I take them out. The cinnamon buns, pain au chocolat, pain au raisin, and the other stuff. All the pastries goes in here. Or puff pastry when I make it for few 4 days ahead or a month ahead, I pack them in here. It's helped a lot in terms of efficiency. Like as a solo baker, if I want to do everything one day, I couldn't cope. I would say I couldn't do it. And I have a proofer, which is currently proofing some stuff. Here, we've got some pastries in here, pain au chocolat, cinnamon bun, pain au raisin, and more cinnamon buns. And then this side, show you what's on the other side. So this side, I got 3 fridges. All the fridges are here, 1, 2, 3. So this one is for, I say sourdough, and then that one sourdough is our bread. And here I put pastries. At the moment they're empty because it's just emptied out. There's nothing. It's Saturday, end of the day, end of the week. So you gotta be empty. I'll be cleaning later. And I've got a smaller oven for pastries mostly. So this oven was one of my second investment when I started baking at home. I was using my home oven for baking mainly, and then I realized, whoa, I need something else to help my efficiency to bake quicker. So I bought this oven. I used to bake baguette in it and some bread. Did a good job. Still hanging now. I'm nearly 4 years baking and then still going strong, which is nice. It's nice. I like to for pastries now, like croissants only, croissants, pain au chocolat and stuff. And I got some tables for my pop-ups here. Let's go to other side to show you what else I have. Oh, this side. So I got Rockmasters. There's 2 of them, the twins, which they really help in terms of efficiency. Now I'm baking. They're both baking now, some breads in it. Let's see what's the time. Yeah, I can up and down for steam. So you see, currently baking some sourdough. And this one too. Got some sourdough baking. I'm baking like 30 breads at the moment, which is awesome. And I got this bench. This is another investment. Wasn't the first one. I bought this when I got here, this space, big space. This will really help a lot in terms of efficiency because I can just pre-shape everything in one go here. Put the timer for bread again. I don't usually put timer on, but today I'll put some timers just to remember things. And yeah, so I have this bench, which is, I love it. It's like one of my favorite things in here, the bench. And what else? I got crates, which at the moment I got some burger buns in there. For hog roast, the butcher come and collect later. And also I have these crates. I have this crate which I use for my pop-up to transport my bakery goods. It's really nice. I like them. I painted black, just give them a little bit of rustic look. And I have this dough sheet. So this is the dough sheet I prefer to use. It doesn't take much space and it's manual, but I like it. It's nice and small. I can just, like now, I can just fold it like this. I have more space in the bench to use to put more sourdough stuff. While the other one is just huge, taking much space. I used to have another table I used to put on the other end, but it's just taking my space to walk around. I like to move freely. So yeah, I have this as well. I have this cooling rack, but I don't really use it for cooling rack. I just use it for storage. Bread I normally just put on that crate. I showed you earlier, plastic crate, it's fine, it cools down easily, nice, doesn't get like soggy or anything. And now here I've got this big mixer, which is freezing my food, and I have this little one, the baby one. This one I use for some mix. I use for small batches. Then if I'm working on like new recipe, I'll play with this one, small one. It's really nice. Need a bit of cleaning. And this one I'm gonna actually mix it now. I've got this another cooling rack, which I use as shelf for storage of the dry stuff, or packaging on top, food and other dry ingredients. And I've got this sink as well, which is really nice. I like this sink because it's sensor. If I have like a dough in my hand, I can just come in, wash my hands nice and easy. Also, when I'm making sausage rolls, I come in and just sensor, wash my hands quickly. Although I do have one for hand washing sink, which is hidden in that corner there. But the water is really hot. And then this runs just really quickly, and then put my hands there real quick, and then we should censor. And then go back and work. Also, I have my rack. This is good. I like when I bake everything, I just put everything in here. Like baked sausage roll, baked croissants and stuff. I just laid out in here, they cool down while I'm waiting, while I'm doing other stuff. With gloves. And so yeah, that's pretty much it in here in terms of what I use that help me to be efficient. But yeah, having a freezer when you start is quite great. If you're doing pastries, for example, it's really nice to have a freezer. They help in terms of efficiency because you put everything in there, and then when you need it, just put it in the fridge to defrost for the next day. So yeah, if you have any question in terms of efficiency or what equipment you need to buy to start up, please let me know in the comment below. So this is the building, LTB. My car, this side. Let's see if the horses are there, but I don't think they're in. They would have been out by now. Hearing my voice. I think they're out. Yes, the horse in the field. I'll quickly show you the garden. Very beautiful place to be in the wilderness. Rhododendron. Hear the birds singing. Look at that, beautiful. Little tunnel. More rhododendron. It's where the beauty begins. A bench, chill to enjoy the view, the flowers. So yeah, this is where I can come around, do some headspace, walk around. I don't get to do much in terms of time. So this time of year they have a tent, activity tent for kids, summer activity tent. So if you're in the UK, this is called River Hill Himalayan Garden. You can come and visit, you can become a member. Membership card or something. So you come and walk around, have a picnic, and there's a cafe at the top. Sadly, I don't supply to that cafe. You can go this way, you can just swing. We're not gonna go that far. I'll show you here. the fountain here. Look at this place. We get closer to the fountain. Look at this. Isn't it nice to have this outside your bakery? You can come out and chill, listen to the water and birds. So yeah, this is it. This is where I hang out sometimes when I have time to come around and have some headspace. This time of year is the best place. It's the best time because it's nice and nice days. It's not cold. It can be really tough, rough in the winter, especially at the bakery. Oh, look at this, beautiful. They're beautiful, aren't they? Colorful. So I'm gonna go this way if I can show you. Have a look around the cafe building. It's not open yet. It's 5:45. It's kind of nice time to do like a tour, show you around. No one is around. Yeah, so I was lucky to find this place 2 years ago, more than 2 years ago now actually, because when I moved in here, I was in that building. I'll show you. I was in that building there. I was on the basement, but the basement became too small. Basement became too small really quickly, so I had to move. I asked if I can find another building. So that's a cafe. Nice. Yeah, so I'm lucky to be here. We almost have a proposal to take that cafe last year. Be Leo the baker being there, baking there, and just open there as my cafe bakery. Boss just wasn't ready. She's not. I like it the way it is, the baker at the moment. The flexibility with small family, I think it's better that way for now at least. And yeah, not as crazy in terms of 7 days working, you know. So yeah, this is it. This is where Leo the baker hang out. You can have an idea where I am and what I'm doing and stuff. So if you ever come to River Hill, Malayan Garden, you can ask where is Leo's bakery. If I'm around, you can chat, you know, get to meet you and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, this is the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao.